I did not sleep well. All right, you guys, welcome back for another vlog. I am Tamara, your host. I've never said that before. I'm saying it now because I noticed that there's some new folks around here that may have not known me from IG, but you kind of found me on this platform here. So welcome. I'm her, Tamara. All right, so I know my background looks real crazy. And that is because for the past 2 weeks, if you have not been seeing the past couple of vlogs, you know how I feel. Go back and then come back. But the past 2 weeks, it's just been a busy on the go type of week. And this room has just been a mess. So I'm trying to get back my house into order. And then I need to get myself into order as well too. Get organized for the kids. Well, Amir really. He's going to be starting school next week, so making sure he has his items. So for this week, my plan is to, 1, bring some pizzazz to this room. 2, make sure I have all the things I need for Amir to start school next week. 3, do something about these nails because they is horrific. And let's see if I can be able to get that done. Let's see. So for this room, the plan is to definitely put some curtains up. I need to have that done. Maybe some wall decor up. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Some night lamps and things like that. Adjust the room as it needs to be adjusted. Move some stuff out of here that don't need to be here. So trying to figure out where I want things to be and get all this stuff going.
A little background about this room as we were cleaning. When we first moved here, I was pregnant with Amir, and all I ever really cared about was just making sure I had somewhere to sleep and space for a bassinet or crib. I knew I wanted to breastfeed, and going from one room to the other was just going to be too much of a hassle. So between the 2 pregnancies, this room just pretty much became the co-sleep room.
All right, so here we are with a blank slate. And we're gonna go ahead and tackle the curtains and then go from there with the beddings and everything else.
We currently have a sleep number bed, but I've been wanting to revisit using a pillow mattress topper. I purchased this Serta topper from Sam's, and it comes with a 3-inch foam topper and the mattress cover, which adds protection and an extra inch overall. The foam comes rolled up and requires some time to fluff up to its final size.
Slowly like fluffing up there and over here. As y'all saw before, it was like huge dents in them. Zena is testing it out. How do you feel, Zena? You like it? Okay, so it is completely flattened out now. Maybe about 10 or 15 minutes, and then it completely inflates like it needs to be, or poofs up. Whatever the case may be, but that's what it is. All right, so here are 3 different duvet cover sets that I purchased. One from Macy's, and these 2 are from Dillard's. I just didn't know which one I would really want, and they were on sale. But I think I'm gonna go with that one for sure. And here is the down alternative comforter. For sheets, I ended up getting this collection from Sam's, because I got also the pillow topping from Sam's as well, and I just saw this and I was just like, you know what, let's just go with it, and I just picked it up. Where's the top or bottom? Top or bottom? I literally just said where's the top, where's the bottom? Top or bottom?
I've been interested in using duvets for a while, mainly because it gives me the option to wash often. Let me explain. So I tend to wash my bedding every 1 to 2 weeks, and because of this, when I had comforters, the fillers didn't seem to last long or become clumpy. I then switched to quilts, but with the frequent washes, they didn't last as long either. With duvets, the covers serve as a barrier of protection to the duvet insert, so I can wash the covers every 1 to 2 weeks, and the duvet itself every 3 months. This whole new journey is an experience because I have no prior knowledge on them, so I'm learning as we go. Duvet covers and inserts come with some initial work when putting them together. I'm using the burrito method, which starts off by spreading the cover inside out and leaving the opening towards the bottom of the bed. Next, spread the insert on top of the cover. At each corner you will find ties. This helps to secure the cover to the insert, which usually have loops at each corner. Thereafter, begin to fold or roll the top to the bottom opening. As you reach the opening, take either end and flip the cover onto the entire roll. Do the same to the other side and continue to unroll. And there you have it.
I did not sleep well. Listen, we done put this whole thing together and I did not sleep well. Like, the kids are up, as y'all can hear them already. Let me go get myself together, brush my teeth, and then come back to y'all. All right, so last night I got into the bed and I'm just like, all right, feels nice and comfy, you know, whatever. A couple of minutes went by, I'm like, am I feeling hot? Is the air on? So I was like, all right, let me go put the air down a little bit, whatever. Then I get back in, I settled in a little bit more. I was like, the bed is hot. Maybe it's just me, but then tried to kind of get through it, whatever. And then I'm looking at Omar to see if Omar is reacting. I'm like, dang, he's not tossing and turning, but I'm tossing and turning. I'm like, is he okay? Am I tripping? Is it just me? And then I was just like, you know what? I don't know. I think this bed topper is just capturing my body heat and just keeping it there, and there's nowhere for it to be released. So we're gonna go ahead and return this because this is not gonna be working for me. I may just have to do some more researches and make sure I'm getting one that keeps it cool and releases body heat. Other than that, it feels really good. So if you're not really caring about how much your body heat is retained in a bed, it's a really good product. But for me, I needed to be cool. It felt comfortable. I woke up, my back wasn't like achy or anything like that. So definitely good on that aspect. But yeah, we'll have to change this. Y'all, I think it might be my duvet. When Amar came home, I asked him, did he feel hot last night? And he was like, in the beginning I did, but then I guess by the time I went to sleep, I guess I cooled down. I was like, so what did you think? What made you hot? Was it the topper or the duvet? So he said he think it was the duvet. So he might be under something. I'm thinking it's the topper. He thinks it's the duvet. All right, so I am currently in IKEA and I'm gonna check out some of their bedding because I did hear that they have like lighter types of duvets. So let's see. The most lightest of all. Like thin on thin on thin.
I don't have
If you ever decide to use duvet inserts, I highly recommend researching different types and going into stores and check out samples. IKEA labels theirs by temperature and Macy's go by filler, thickness, and temperature. My goal this time around was to purchase a few and see which didn't feel thick and didn't keep me so hot. Alright y'all, I made it all the way to Target. This is all I'm about to do. Let me go ahead and go. Lord, hopefully one of these things work tonight. Guess who had a better sleep last night? That'll be me. So it looks like it was the duvet. I pretty much switched it out to the thinnest one possible. Basically, I feel like I need something that's light on me, nothing too fluffy, too heavy. And I think even though it said light warmth for that duvet that I had, it was just a little bit too much on the heavier side. So I slept better, but I'm still trying to figure out if the topper is something I may need to look into because I was just a slightly little warm and I'm still trying to see if I really like the feel of it. Now that we have that kind of squared away, I'll just try another night with the topper and see if it's really the topper, but for right now the duvet is working. Yay! Now let's get on with my day. So I'm about to go and probably take the kids out to the park, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Still haven't got to these nails yet. I really need to do them. Gonna get y'all. Nah, 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 boo, boo. Nah, 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 boo, boo. Boo, boo. All right, gym time.
y'all. I'm finally about to do something about these doggone nails. I got some acetone here, and I need to get something to dip them in. Go ahead and pour that in. And I'm gonna have to sit here with my hands up in there. Listen, I reuse my acetone, so that's why it looks like that. You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to drill the top part off of the nail so that it can come off easier. And that's gonna be it for tonight, y'all. Bang, bang, bang. Say goodbye to my nails. Here is my nails all off, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut everything down and file and buff everything. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow for real. Bye. What's up, y'all? Definitely getting better nights. The only thing I may just go ahead and change that mattress topper because I feel like it's probably the only part that's keeping me a little bit too warm. So I feel like I need to switch it out for the type that has like the blue like little jelly things in them. I feel like I need that kind. So it's gonna go. But in that, sleeping better. Yeah, I'm loving my room. It finally feels like I'm an adult now. Phew, all the little kitty stuffs are not in here anymore. So we're gonna go pick up my mom. She is coming to town because she is going to Bahamas for her birthday tomorrow. She's flying out in either Miami or Fort Lauderdale. I don't know. Anyways, we have to meet her halfway to pick her up. My niece is dropping her off. And today we may do a little bit something to celebrate her birthday. Her birthday's not until like the following Tuesday or something like that. But she won't be here. So I was thinking about where the heck I should take her, because Caribbean people are funny when it comes to food. Like, you don't just go and take them to, oh, I'm gonna take them to this real fancy American, because they'll look at you like, yeah, Pierre, how much for this? How much for this plate? $50 for this plate, and you have one little piece of... I don't want to do that. So Caribbean people love Caribbean food. So I'm taking to the Haitian restaurant. And this spot is actually a place I've been wanting to try for a little while, because I've been hearing that the food is good, and then it gives more of like a modern vibe to it. So presentation of food and things like that, I think they'll enjoy that. So that's the plan for today. Hanging out with the old folks today. Why are we out here with the old folks today, Bree? Mommy, you do not need wheelchair assistance right now. Mama. Oh, lady, what are you drinking?
I'm looking.
Oh.
Anywhere down block, we knock it out. Anything that I can walk over here. Knock out.
Y'all, wow, already. No, she got something different.
Passion for margarita.
Ah. Yes. Woo.
I see you. Let's get there. Let's warm up. Come on.
You want somebody else drink, mommy? Get your own drink. Meal number one for the birthday girl. How's it for you? Excuse me, ma'am. Eating it up. I was like, where do you take Caribbean people? Don't take them to no American place. Wow. Let me see your fish. Ooh, turn the light off on us. Go down, go down, All right, Spider-Man. All right. Welcome. Let's go check it out.
Okay.
That's fair. What's the baby here? You ready to go try and look inside? Ooh, this is cute. They're doing their nails and woo. Oh, that's what the color you wanted, Tina? Yellow? She always saying pink and purple, that's why. Let me come out of your way. Huh?
She didn't sit under the dryer.
Oh, Mom, you have to sit under the dryer. She probably was just looking for me.
She probably looking for my mama. But you ain't.
Did you guys have fun at the book drive? Oh, there's Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Wait.
Wake up.
Morning, Mary. Wake up, wake up, first grade. Wake up, first grade, first grade, first grade. Wake up, first grade, first grade. Let's rock it, rock first grade. We're gonna rock first grade. Yeah, yeah. No, not today.
Staying home.
We are not staying home.
Oh, yes, we are.
No, we're not. You better get up. Ooh, get rap. Oh, man. There. Oh, kiddo. Alright, here's our board. First grade affirmations. We're just waiting for the first grader to get on over here. Our first grader. Go over so we can read them. Okay, so first grade affirmations. Are you ready, buddy? First grade. Baby going back to school. Not my baby! My baby Chase! Alright, I'm done.
Do it again.
Have a great day, Mare.
Bye, Amir. Bye.